In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Carlisle Companies Incorporated, a diversified maker of building and industrial products listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CSL. This is an educational demonstration, not financial advice. To place an order, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CSL to find the correct listing. Select Carlisle Companies Incorporated from the search results to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have Carlisle Companies Incorporated. Make sure the NASDAQ ticker CSL is displayed and the company details match. Tap the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your new CSL position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to visit the platform.